The speed test will allow us to launch a throughput test. Once we have entered the PIN number for our SIM card and registered to one specific network within the 4G/5G mobile mode, we will find the tool by unfolding the Tools menu from the main window. If we press on the cog for that window, we will be able to choose from two different speed tests under the servers field, Fast and UCLA. As in any other feature from the Atlas NG, we can save these speed test results as a screenshot for future reference and download from the analyzer.